Good morning, students. Today we will continue our same chapter, which is adaptation in animals. And today we are going to learn about the topic, which is care and concern about the animals. Animals are very important for all of us. We are getting a lots of things from animals like milk, flesh, as well as the leather. So all of these things we are using, and which we are just getting from the animals. So animals are very important for us. We have to be very caring about all of them, as well as some concern about all of them. How they are useful for us? There are some topics which is written in our book, like animals who are live on trees. And what's the name of that animals? One lives on trees. Arboreal animals. Remember that? This topic we have already covered in our last videos. And these animals like birds, monkeys, eats fruits of that plants, and sometimes that seeds they are also eat, and they are not digested in their body and pass on from their body as a waste material, and lots of places, and after that seeds germinate and make a new plant. So in this way the seeds are scattered from one place to another place, and their species are just safe. So in this way the animals protect the plants, and plants are very useful for us. So these animals are also very useful for us, as well as there is a term which is written in our book, food chain. What it means? Food chain. Food chain. What is the main source of energy on earth? Anyone? Main source of energy. Main source of energy is sun. Because of the sun, the plants just completed their photosynthesis process, and because of the photosynthesis process, they make their food and they survive. And then the herbivores, do you remember this? Herbivores who eat plants. So herbivores are just totally depend upon the plants, and we are also depends upon the plants. And these herbivores eat plants and they survive. And carnivores also eat the herbivores. And these after that, after some times, all the animals dead and just mix up with the soil, and then increase the fertility of the soil because of the lots of minerals from there, and increase the fertility of the soil, and then only the plants grow. So this creates a food chain. Plants eat by herbivores, and then herbivores eaten by the carnivores, and then dead, and then mix up with the soil, and then plants also grow. After that cycle runs. So this is the food chain. And if any member of this food chain is collapsed or not in the forms, then this food chain breaks, and that particular space is going to be extinct. So food chain are very, very important for the survival of this all these living beings survival. So we have to maintain this food chain. So in this way the animals are very important for us, and we have to be very caring about all of them. Like this. Okay. After that, animal protection. How we protect our animals from the other things? Like lots of animals who are just living on plants, arboreal animals, remember that? Who are living on trees. So what's our duty? To cut down the trees? No. We always try. Never cut down the trees, because not only the monkeys or birds, lots of spiders, lots of insects are also live there. They are just shelter for all of them. So try to don't cut the trees so that they survive there. We protect the animals because of our uses, as well as for the food chain also, because we are also the part of the food chain. Okay. And after that, we are using animals, their skins for making lots of bags or our fur coats. Is this fair? To kill them all of them for our small things. Is that fair? No, this is not fair. We just try to don't use all these things. We are just made from the skin of the animals. Crocodiles, all of them using the leather belts. So because of these small things, we are just kill them. It's not good for them. Okay? We have to be save all of them, protect all of them for the food chain, for the survival of our life also. Okay? After that, there is a topic, take care of animals. Yes, we have to be very caring of our animals so that we survive very easily on the earth. Okay? So, for their take care, we have to take care of the animals, make their homes, their shelters properly. We are also living in a very good home. So, the animals also require a good home, good shelter, which is comfortable for all of them. So, we have to make some good homes or shelters for all of them. After that, not keep them hungry. Yes. If you are hungry, then you feel good. Huh? You feel good whenever you are hungry. Exactly. The animals are not feeling good when they are hungry. So we have to give them proper food, good foods, so that they eat, they survive and help us. And maintain the food chains also. So never try to give them take them hungry. After that, clean and bath them. Cleanliness should be maintained. Then only they are disease free. Our environment is disease free. So when we take care of all of them, clean them as well as bath them properly at the regular time. After that, whenever we feel sick, we go to doctors now for our treatment. So animals are also feel sick or they are not feeling good. Then what's our duty? Our duty is to call a veterinarian. Veterinarians in junior classes, remember who are veterinarians? Veterinarians are the doctors who treat animals. So whenever our pet animals or any animals are just feeling sick, we have to be called doctors, veterinarians. So that they are just free from the sickness and they feel good. This is our duty also. And proper vaccination. Whenever you are in the stage of infant, you take lots of vaccines for the diseases like we are just instantly we are vaccinated with the COVID vaccines. Like animals also require some vaccines so that they never feel sick and they are always healthy and just protect themselves from the lots of diseases. So vaccinations should be maintained. So at the regular time of interval, we have to be vaccinated all of them so that they never feel sick and feel very happy and maintain this environment and fulfill our needs also. So we have to be very caring about our animals also. So it's all about for this chapter. Lots of topics we are just covered in this chapter. Like we are just started from the adaptation of animals, the animals who are living in desert areas, the animals who are living in polar regions, after that aquatic animals, amphibians. After that we are just discussing about the animals who are found in air, like all these animals who are found on trees, like arboreal animals. After that, animals, we are just categorized all these animals on the basis of their eating habits, the carnivores, herbivores, herbivores, so all these topics we are just covered we can say animals are very, very useful for all of us. So always take care of them, protect them. It is very, very useful for all of us for our survival as well as our survivors also. Okay? So this is all about for this chapter, and in our next video we are discussing our next chapter,